Hey everybody, 2020 Eagleman here today with another wax break. Today is 1997 Topps Stadium Club Series 2, 24 packs, 9 cards per pack. Kind of going off of the last video I posted, which was 1996 Stadium Club. As you can see the box in the background. Had a lot of fun opening up that box. So this is the following, or the next year's Stadium Club that we'll be going through. There are only 9 cards per pack this time, so there shouldn't be as many cards to flip through. But as always, the cards will probably get stuck together. That's why I'm wearing the gloves once again. And yeah, so we're hoping for some inserts and some big names as well. Again, I love Stadium Club a lot. I've been kind of getting back into the Stadium Club game, trying to complete some sets. So we started out with 96. Now we're doing 97, and then you can see the bottom 2 boxes to my right. 1991 Stadium Club Series 1 and 2, which was the first release of Stadium Club. So we'll be doing a video of that as well. And 97 Stadium Club design is actually one of my favorites, as you can see. The full picture on there looks great. Yeah, these cards are very stuck together. That's all right. So we're looking for some inserts, some parallels as usual, some big names. Yeah, these cards look amazing. I love these so much. There's Greg Maddux right there. Yeah, this is going to be a fun set to complete. Alrighty. Ryne Sandberg sliding in there. It's a cool picture. Ooh, here's a parallel right here. Rondell White. Oh, we got 2 Rondell Whites in here. Here's the base and the parallel. Looks like this is Matrix parallel. That's a very good looking card. Crazy shine to it. That is awesome. Very, very cool. I will have to check the rarity on this one. Let me go check it out real quick. Okay, so these cards are 1 in 12 packs. So since there's 24 packs, we should be getting at least 1 more of those. But yeah, definitely cool. Those have some awesome shine to it. Okay, so it looks like we're getting a checklist in every pack. Only open up 2 packs though. Yeah, 97 is a beautiful set. Beautiful, beautiful set. Except these cards are kind of stuck together. Luckily, they aren't snowflaking too much. And here's a insert, Mark McGwire insert. Let's peel this card off the back of it. So we've got a Mark McGwire Stadium Slugger insert. Very nice. Him on the A's there. Oh, this might not be an insert, actually. It might just be part of the base set. It has 384 right there. Yeah, so that's probably just a base card, a subset card. But still pretty cool. Big Mac there. Another checklist. Yeah, I'm guessing we get a checklist in every pack, which is okay. Ooh, yeah, these ones are very stuck together. Ooh, yeah, you can hear that. Not good. Luckily, the gloves help out quite a bit. But sometimes not enough, like this card right here. There we go. Max Hudler, Liverthal, Mondesi, Tim Wakefield. That's pretty cool. And Bip Roberts, Cal Eldred. Okay, nice. Got an advertisement. Again, I gotta check those advertisements because in the last box we almost skipped over a parallel that looked like an advertisement. It was a pretty rare parallel. Oh boy. JT Snow Jr. Greg Vaughn. Alright, nothing in that pack. here? Dean Palmer. There's a Chipper Stadium Slugger. I'm guessing it's just a subset within the set. Nothing there. I'm actually going to pull out that Mark McGwire card. There it is. I'll set that aside for the recap at the end of the video, which I will always do with wax breaks. Man, some of these packs are pretty tough to open up. Tito Martinez, Bobby Witt, Will Cordero. Come on. Jay Buhner, Stadium Slugger. And there's a Wade Boggs base. Carlos Delgado, Johnny Damon. Hoping for some inserts. I did see on the checklist that there were some pretty nice ones, as well as parallels. We already got the Matrix one. See what else we could possibly get. Here's Eckersley. And then there's a Bagwell Stadium Slugger. Brady Anderson, Cecil. And the Big Hurt, Frank Thomas. So definitely pulling the big names, which is great. Not sure if Jeter is in this series or not. It'd be pretty cool if he was. I think he is. They'll check that one. Insights are Guzman, Olra, there's Guerrero, Sr. Houston is obviously beasting it up in the players, or in the majors this year. Tim Wakefield again, Bip Roberts again, and another checklist. Not sure how big this series is. I probably should have checked that. Let's look on the back of this checklist. Looks like 245 for Series 2. Or 295. I don't know. Maybe 300 cards. Be a good guess. Canseco. There's Barry Bonds, Stadium Slugger. Looks pretty cool. I like the Stadium Slugger, or the Stadium Slugger cards. Flying through these packs right now. Looks like we got a parallel of some sort in this one. There's Manny. And, ooh, got a Matrix. So this is the second Matrix parallel, Dean Palmer. That is such a cool looking card. Very cool parallel. Like it. So we got our two, number 1 in 12 chance to get those, and we got 24 packs, so we should get 2, and we did get 2, so that's awesome. 90s inserts and 90s parallels are always awesome. Let's see here. David Justice, Craig Biggio, nice. Jay Powell, Wally Joyner. Nothing much there. Yeah, these ones are really stuck together, so it's kind of making it tough to flip through. But the gloves are helping quite a bit. There's Eckersley, Mo Vaughn, Stadium Slugger, Jose Mesa, Randy Johnson, the man, one of my favorite players of all time. Marquise Grissom, Vinny Castillo, Ray Sanchez, Tom Pagnosi. There's Wangan, Stadium Slugger. Lance Johnson, Roger Cedeno, Hal Morris, and then checklist. Nothing much in there. Curious as to how big the Stadium Slugger subset is. So no inserts so far. We're kind of surprised. Maybe we'll pull one. Again, the big hit. Ooh, Stadium Slugger, Ken Griffey. The big hit with the 90s hobby boxes were the inserts and parallels. So we already got two of the parallels. Biggio. Let's see if we can get an insert of some sort. Joe Ronda. Luis Gonzalez. Hey, here's one. Bernie Williams. Intravision highlights. It's got some awesome shine to it for sure. Pretty cool. Bernie Williams. Nice. So we did get an insert. Pretty tough pull apparently. But hey, we still got a handful more packs. Here's Frank Thomas again. Maybe we can get another insert or two. Maybe a parallel of some sort. But that is a really good looking insert. Bernie Williams. Ryan Sandberg. Andrew Jones. Cecil. And then Frank Thomas again. I think that's the third Frank Thomas. Joe Girardi, Jim Edmonds, Ken Caminiti Stadium Slugger, David Cone, Joe Carter. Nothing much in that one. I think this break is going way quicker than the 96 break because less cards, we're getting less inserts. That's for sure. Mikey P for the Stadium Sluggers. Greg Maddux. So definitely some big names, which is fun. Looks like we got, this is our fifth to last pack. Ooh, looks like we got something in there. Juan Guzman, John Olerud. Try not to look at it just yet. Ruben Sierra. Well, we got Millennium. Vladimir Guerrero. Also a very shiny card. So these 90s cards are crazy shine on them. So that would be an insert. Looks great. Vladimir Guerrero. His name has been kind of trending a little bit lately with his son. Ooh, this one's really stuck together. Luckily, we aren't seeing too much snowflaking on these cards, which is great. On the 96 set, we did see quite a bit. There's Gary Sheffield, Stadium Slugger. Saw quite a bit of the snowflaking, but on these, we're not seeing too much, which is good. They're still kind of getting stuck together, though. Ooh, yeah, this one's pretty good. Fryman, And nothing in that pack. Last 2 packs to go, though. They can make them count. Yeah, this one's real bad. Alright, let's see what we get. Ruben Sierra again. Shwan Dunston. Bobby Abreu. Rex Hudler. Grant Brown. Cal Eldred. Wolcott. Aguilera. So cool to see these names from back in the day. So now, last pack. 97 Stadium Club. It's been a pretty fun break. Love the names that I'm seeing. A lot of big names. 2 inserts and 2 parallels. So not too bad. This is a pretty fun break. Let's see, Roberto Alomar, Chuck Knobloch, Percival, Brady Anderson, Stadium Slugger. Got Carlos Baerga, Tom Candiotti, Edgar Martinez, and then Tony Batista. So there you guys have it. That'll be the 97 Stadium Club break. Let's do a quick recap of some of the bigger cards we've got in this pile right here. So here's one of the inserts we got. Vladimir Guerrero, Millennium. Crazy shine to it. Greg Maddux. Mike Piazza, Stadium Slugger. Frank Thomas base. Ryan Sandberg base. Another Frank Thomas base. Here's our second insert. This is Bernie Williams, Intravision highlights. And Ken Griffey Jr., Stadium Slugger. Randy Johnson, the man. Here's one of the parallels, the Matrix parallel. We got 2 of these. This one's of Dean Palmer. There's Barry Bonds, Stadium Slugger. The third Frank Thomas base. Wade Boggs base. Mark McGwire, Stadium Slugger. Chipper Jones, Stadium Slugger. The Matrix parallel again. Looks really good. Ryan Sandberg base. And then Greg Maddux again. So there you guys have it. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this break. If you guys did, go ahead and subscribe for more of these wax breaks to come your way. And I'll see you guys next time.